Assalamualaikum and hi everybody. How are you today? Okay, for today's lab session, we will explore a sampling of GIS concept, where these GIS concepts show us how spatial data is organized based on the theme it represents and how geographic data relates to its descriptive components by exploring the table pertaining to the features. And by exploring a sample of GIS concept, the concepts of topology can be explored. For example, how spatial features relate to one another. And the objective for this lab is to familiarize with data display, data query, and also output. So now I will open up the software that we will use for today, which is ArcGIS software. Okay, the first one, we have to create a new empty map. So click the blank map to create the new map. Okay, and then we will import data by adding image, click file and add data and choose JASIN1 TIF. And the image appeared in a red, blue and green color. And then we have to create a new folder. The first one you have to create, you have to click catalog. And then you go to the desktop and right click and create a new folder. And rename the folder as Lab1. And then we will create a new shapefile by right-clicking the folder that was created, new and new shapefile, and we fill the information as area 1. Type, the first one you have to set the features type. For area we have to use polygon, and then OK. And then we go to the area and we go to the attribute. We go to the area, right click, and then go to the properties and go to the XY coordinate system. And then for geographic coordinate system, click, go to the world and choose WGS 1984. Apply and OK. And now we will edit the map. Okay, the first one, we go to the editor. Okay, click the button start editing, and then click area 1, continue, and then we go to the create features and click area 1, and you will see the construction tools. Okay, to choose an area, please choose polygon. Okay, then you go to the map. Okay, you choose an area that you want to focus on. Okay, and then right click and finish sketch, and your area will turn into a new color. And then you go back to the editor and save edits, and go back to editor once again and stop editing. Okay, and then you go to the attributes, and we will show you how to view the attribute. Okay, go to the table of content and then right click to the area 1 and open attribute table, and this show the attribute of your picture, okay, of your map. And then you have polygon, FID, and shape is polygon and ID is 0. And then we want to add another attribute to your map. Go back to your Lab1, right click and add a new shapefile. Click, okay, new shapefile is root. The second shapefile is root, and the feature type is polyline, and click OK. Okay, then go to the editor and start editing again. Click area 1, and we have to add a new WGS for the root shape file. Right click the root shape file and properties, go to the properties and then go to the geographic coordinate system and choose world and choose WGS 1984. Click apply and then OK. Okay, now we want to edit the map, so go back to the editor, start editing, click continue, choose root, click continue and go to the create features, choose root and choose line for construction tools, and you can choose to draw the road on your map. Okay, then finish sketch and you can see your road is being on the map itself. Okay, then you have to save edits and click editor again and stop editing. As you can see on the map, the road is not really visible, so you can change the color and also the bold of the road. And you go to the road in the table of content and double click the road, and you will appear the symbol selector. Okay, and then you can choose highway and the color of your choice, and you can click OK, and the road is become more visible on your map. Okay, that's all for this lab. Okay, an introduction to your lab. And now we can see the attribute for road by right click and open attribute table. Okay, as you can see, the shape for the road is polyline. Okay, compared to the area before, the shape is polygon. Each shape contains different shape of based on what you choose to create on your map. Okay, that's all for Lab 1. Now your task is to discuss in details the spatial data and attributes of the given map and explain the GIS software functions. Hope you enjoy the Lab 1 and see you again soon. Thank you.